Hello students. So today we are going to learn scratching technique. Okay, scratching technique. For that again you require paper, any colored paper, any size paper. Okay, now here today we are going to draw something different shapes. You can draw oval, a rectangle, instead of rectangle and square, something different. Okay, because in square and rectangle we are done many designs. So you can take half circle, you can take circle, you can take hexagon, or I'm taking oval. Okay, so let's do. For this you require paper, crayons, and some pointed things which are easily you'll get. See, back of pencil we can use, this pointer you can use. Then I have something this shape, so you can use some tools which will you will get easily in your surrounding. So that will do. Come on, we'll start it. Very simple and nice. So what we'll do first, we will here I am going to decide what I want to do. Okay, if you don't want to decide what design you want to do, then you can continue your work. Okay, just start it. But here I want specially scenery, so here I started from yellow. Okay, anyway you can put, but specially I am going to scratch out your sun, so yellow. From here I put yellow and then orange. Now you complete your full oval filling with different colors, but start from light to dark. Always you should apply colors light to dark. If you want you can add white also. After yellow, little orange. After that I have little dark orange. So no compulsion that with same sequence you will go, but I am going to do it with light to dark. Any light to dark colors you can apply. Okay, and however orange I will do here only because I decided scenery I want to do. So here will be orange and sky portion, no, sun and sky. So orange, purposely I am going to do here orange. Then I am putting brown. After brown, which is dark shade, can add little darker is blue, green. First I will take blue. I have small pieces of crayon. If you have like this waste pieces, you can use it. Okay, you can use this waste pieces also. Even of green I have small piece. Just remember that you have to fill your oval with light to dark. Okay, so however finally we want it darkest. Step by step we'll apply this. Okay, after green, what dark color will take? You will decide. You will see your color box and decide. I have this purple. This is simple but very nice technique. You will get very nice result. See what activities you are doing, no? If your mama is interested, your parents are interested, your grandparents are there with you, if they are interested, you teach them also, so that they also will enjoy this art with you. If your, especially your grandparents, if they are there and they cannot go out even, so you teach them different type techniques, they will enjoy with you. And you also will learn how to teach others. You will get satisfaction. You will be happy when you will teach someone. It will give knowledge to someone. You will be happy. Okay. So see, almost it is darkest. Now final color that compulsory everyone you have to do. It's a black. Okay. So now finally start it with black. Do it with black. Okay. So cover it full with black. If you want, students, here in the surrounding also you can make little design. Okay, zigzag line like sun shape even you can put here. Okay, that's up to you. You can add some new things. Now here our first application is done. What to do now? Now we have to start scratching with different tools. I have these all type of tools. Let's start now. Okay, scenery, as I told you, I want to do scenery, so I'll do it. I'll start it with sun. If you want, you can complete your drawing first. Here I'll do my sun. Little big I want to do. Then this is ground. I divided in uneven part. Here it is ground and sky. Okay. Then here I want to do coconut tree. Drawing I am going to complete first with pointed tool. Okay. Sketching will do later. One more tree I will do here. This is my scenery, so nature should be there, right? One more big tree I am doing here. Okay. Then is it okay? Scratching. We will start now. For scratching technique, where you want to remove more part, for example sun, scratch it. Okay. Or you can take something like this. With that you can take out big portions, right? Then coconut tree we will start. On the coconut tree I am going to do texture. One side I will, sun side I will make lighter. Okay. Sun side I am making darker, means light is coming more, so I am scratching more. Okay. And then here, because sunlight, I'll scratch more on the ground exactly below sun. Okay. And here little, because it's a ground portion. If you want, you can scratch small stones here, details on the ground. Okay, now details in the tree branches. It's looking very beautiful. You can scratch out coconut. Here you can scratch out coconuts. Any type of tree you can do. Leafy tree, coconut tree leaves, you can draw those shapes and scratch it. Okay. Now on the coconut tree, I am going to do details on the trunk. Okay, I'll show flying birds here. So what are colors are in back? We are getting advantage of that. Those colors, see, very nice. With simple sketching technique, we can do so many details. Okay. Here I want to use curve line. So this is nice part which I'll get two curve lines together. Okay, with this. It will show sea lines. Okay, so this way you can show even sea. So this way our scenery is done with scratching technique. So you can select any type of design or scenery, any shape for this technique, oval, square, rectangle, whatever. Okay, and enjoy this technique. Do it. Bye.